All right, an hour later, we got a lovely sunrise over the junkyard, and we're going out here to get some Toyota treasure. This is the Mason U Pull and Save in Mason, Michigan, outside of Lansing. You guys have seen me here a bunch of times. It's my favorite yard. We're gonna go get us an e-locker, so I'll bring you guys back. All right, let's go get some treasure, folks. What are you looking for?
21, 27, and 22.
They're usually on the end rows, but it looks like it's a beautiful day for an e-locker. Somebody already got the switch out of this, and I wonder if they weren't trying to hide it. I thought of that last night. The switches have, they're pretty valuable. So I don't know if somebody just came out here, saw the switch, and said that's easy pickings. Doesn't seem to be laying around in here anywhere. For the hell of it, I'm going to check the gear ratio, which I think is up there. It's on the firewall on mine. I think the newer ones are inside the door. There's my 4runner has I really want this engine, but I don't want to pull it. My 4runner has 430s, which was a common ratio in autos early on. See, there's no, oh, here it is. A340F, that means it's an automatic. Where's the gear ratio? I have to figure that out. It's likely, apparently 430s were an option in these with a 3.4, an auto, and a e-locker. So it would be super cool if this was 430s and I didn't have to swap the ram pinion, but I will. I don't care. So I'm gonna get set up here and bring you guys back. 30 minutes cutting, more or less. We're ready to pull her out. Had to have a brake, my union mandated brake. This thing's kind of heavy. I really only got to go up there to that little, the taller green building on the right. Back my truck up and load it up. I spent some time here looking around for the switch. Somebody must have snatched it. That's all I can figure. It's definitely not in here. There's some sweet Newport butts. Sunroof. So yeah, about this code here. So this is the code, if you care. It's wildly inconsistent with the first gen stuff. So like A04 would mean that it had 456s, and the final A would mean it was a 2-pinion planetary open diff, which is clearly not. So I looked around on the forums and stuff, and most of the forums say that a 3.4 liter with an auto trans and a locker were all 430 gears, and 16-inch wheels, which obviously I have no idea what the wheel size was on this thing, but CarMax, certified quality inspection, and this dude was a Toyota VIP. But yeah, I'm pretty confident that it's 430s, the same as I have. And if it's not, I don't really care. I'm not going to put it in right now. This was a pull of opportunity for me. You know, I want one. It showed up. I'm much more focused on getting the engine in and getting it running. You have to do some mods to the housing and stuff like that to make it work, but it'll be okay. I mean, I don't know. It might be a good winter project or something, but I'm very happy to be out here. It's a 30-minute pull, people. And you know, this can be lucrative if you want. I used to pay all my bills doing this shit, so hopefully you enjoyed the little bonus Toyota treasure. Honestly, Toyotas are pretty thin on the ground in the junkyards, but I do see them occasionally. So, you know, never overlook stuff. You never know what you're gonna find out here. if you come often enough. I bet is that a Nissan Armada? I bet that's got the Nissan V8 in it. I wonder what people do with those. All right, let's see what the final tally is here. That's my receipt to get in the place. Duh. There we go. 123.77. You guys see that? E-locker. 123.77. Where there's a will, there's a way. Mason, you pull and save. Once again, it's, I don't know, 45 minutes with me goofing off and dealing with social media and everything else. Temperature rose a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. That dually is too fast for you, apparently. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer. See you guys.